let's face it, the foundation of any show like mine are the interns. They do a lot of hard work, and they do it for free. And I'm here with some of our finest interns.
Danielle.
Danielle.
Julia.
Julia.
Evan.
Evan. Pencil guy.
Yeah.
Glasses woman. What surprised you when you first saw me for the first time? What was the thing that surprised you most? Evan.
Yes, sir.
What surprised you most about me?
How fast you are.
Pencil guy.
Yeah, first couple times I saw you behind the scenes, you were wearing this vest. Sort of like, not really a jacket, but a vest. I was really surprised to see that those are still in fashion here at the Conan show.
Grab the pencil, please.
Yeah. What do you...
Glasses woman next to pencil guy.
Yes.
What surprised you when you first saw me?
I was surprised at how much thought and care went into what happened during the show.
It shocked you that there was a rehearsal process.
Yeah.
And that I put any thought into it. Okay.
In the nicest way possible.
Sure. You could say that after any sentence. I'd like to murder you in the nicest way possible. By the way, Joe, I'm going to replace these as we go.
Thanks, Conan.
Was this, and you be completely honest, is this your favorite late night show? And be honest.
You are my favorite personality-wise, late night show-wise.
But it's not your favorite show.
It's hard to say. I don't really have a favorite.
I know how to do it. Do you guys have complaints about this job?
There's not too much going on in here, so the other day I organized the sugar packets.
You organize the sugar packets.
Yeah, they're all kind of askew right now, but I mean they were.
So you show me what you did.
Well, I went through and I stacked them all neatly, like so they weren't looking like they were just thrown in there, like CDs to go through and just make them more accessible. Just have the. There you go. These ones are fine. I won't worry about these.
There's medication for what you have. Okay. Evan.
Yes, sir.
You know I remember Evan?
Name tag?
Not just the name tag, although that's helping. Evan's enthusiasm feeds me.
I also got your lunch today.
You got my lunch today?
Yeah.
I didn't eat lunch today.
Oh, well.
How did you get my lunch if I didn't eat lunch today?
They told me to go get the boss man's lunch.
Who told you to get Conan's lunch? Give me a name.
Nick.
Nick. Who's Nick? What's Nick? What's a Nick? Evan was told today to go get Conan's lunch.
Absolutely. I did that.
But Conan didn't eat lunch. Conan didn't even order lunch.
I spoke with Sona.
Sona! Sona, we ran into a little bit of a snafu here. Evan said, hey, I got your lunch today. I said, that's not possible. I didn't order lunch today.
Sometimes in order to get things done quickly, for me, I might use your name to like light a fire under.
What else are you doing for yourself where you use my name? Go ahead.
I'd rather not say this.
Please say it.
I once went to a bar and drank too much and couldn't drive home, so I sent interns the next day. This was a long time ago to pick the car up, and I may have said that I needed them to pick your car.
She just walked away. She walked away. There's people out there that think Conan O'Brien had too much to drink and couldn't get his car. What rumors have you heard about me? Anybody? Have a good rumor you heard about me?
You wear a wig?
I wear a wig? Did you actually hear that?
Yeah.
You heard that I wear a wig?
Yeah.
Would you mind quickly just proving to people that it's not a wig?
Yeah.
Go. Like, get in there. Don't be afraid. And pull. What are you getting?
Hair follicles.
Yeah? You're pulling the hair out of the skull.
Yeah.
But can you say that with great certainty? What are you looking for? They're not grubs or insects in
I'm
there.
trying to fix it because I kind of messed it up.
It goes back instantly. We're gonna do a little role playing, okay? You guys go to parties, you're young. Other people meet you, and you talk maybe about what you do. And I just like to hear what you might say. Hey, how's it going?
It's okay. How are you?
Good. I'm Brad. What's your name?
Julia.
Julia, that's a cool name.
Thank you.
Yeah.
What are you drinking?
Drinking some gin and juice. What are you drinking?
That's really cool.
Yeah.
Vodka tonic.
Oh, you seem to drink a lot.
I do.
Okay. So, just curious, like, what do you do?
I work for Conan.
Conan O'Brien?
Conan O'Brien.
Oh my God. So you don't get to meet him though, right?
I meet him all the time.
You see him? What's he like?
He's really cool.
Tell me about it. What's it like to work for Conan?
Well, he's really tall. He
Yeah.
has a really long stride.
Okay.
He just strides around.
Yeah. So he's tall and he has a long stride.
Very funny.
Okay, that's the third thing. So your first two things is he's very tall. This guy was blown away that you know Conan. No, and you were like, he's very tall and he has a long stride. You're describing an ostrich. Well, do you guys see what the problem was there? What did she do wrong? Forget the sugar packets! Hey, how's it going?
It's going good.
Yeah. What do you do?
I intern at the Conan O'Brien show.
Oh! Yo! She interns for Conan! Does he wear a wig?
He does not wear a wig. It's a full head of hair, luscious.
How do you know he doesn't wear a wig?
I touched him.
You touched his hair?
I touched his hair.
Did he ask you to?
He actually invited me to.
He sounds like a pervert! I'm calling the police! Police! End of the line. Hey.
Hey there.
How's it going?
Are you a guy or a girl right now?
Oh, God. Oh, God.
Hey,
What was that? What are you doing?
just saying hello.
Oh, what's with the pencils? What are you, like a nerd or something?
No, sometimes I need to write things down.
You
You don't sound like that.
I'm about to beat you up, and I'm gonna beat the crap out of you. Unless you can impress me with where you work.
I interned for Conan.
What the hell? Conan! I'm having an orgasm! Why are you touching me? I was orgasming, and you touched me? I have enjoyed getting to know you, and so if you guys are okay with it, I'd like to, right now, take you all out to dinner. Would you like to go to dinner with me?
Yes.
Yeah.
Get dinner with me? I thank our interns. They are the best.